us will wear the breeches. Oh, Paddy Kane, it is my name, my height it is 5'11". Oh, my wife, she's nearly not so big, she only measures 4'7". The hatches I have oft-times stripped, left them bare of rods and switches. Her skin that's fair, sure I turn black, still she swears she'll wear my breeches. I am a tailor to my trade at cutting out, I am quite handy. Oh, for all the money that I make, she lays it out on tea and brandy. It's oft times I do shout and roar, there's nothing gold but rods and witches. Her hat goes often to the wall, still she swears she'll wear my breeches. One morning at the tea and eggs, contented sitting by the fire, well, she broke the teapot, tore my legs, and I went leaping to retire. It's oft times I do shout and roar as I go hopping on my crutches. I wish I broke her collarbone the day I let her wear my breeches. So come on, young man, wherever you be, don't marry a wife if she's enchanting. With other men she'll call galanting. And be sure of a wife with an honest tongue who'll give you leave to wear your breeches. Thank you.